In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Anki deck progress so you can start studying a deck from the beginning again. This is useful if you've already completed a deck, want to restart your learning, or accidentally imported a deck with existing progress. Let's get started. Open Anki and select the deck you want to reset. Click on the deck to open it, then choose Browse from the top menu. In the browser window, make sure all the cards from your deck are selected. You can do this by clicking and then pressing Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Once all cards are selected, go to the top menu and click Cards, then choose Reset. Toggle on both Restore Original Position where possible and Reset Repetition and Lapse Counts. Click OK. Anki will now reset all selected cards back to new cards, removing their review history and scheduling information. The cards themselves are not deleted. Only their learning progress is reset. After that, close the browser and return to the main deck screen. You'll now see the cards listed as new again, allowing you to study the deck from the beginning. If you only want to reset specific cards rather than the entire deck, simply select those cards in the browser before using the reset option. One important thing to know is that resetting cards removes their learning schedule. If you're unsure, consider creating a backup before making changes. And that's all there is to it. To reset Anki deck progress, open the browser, select the cards you want to reset, click Cards, use the Reset option to turn them back into new cards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.